Taoyuan's airport cluster is growing with 4 new cases added on Friday. The new cases are 2 cleaners who had attended a social club event in Taoyuan, one of those cleaners' family member, and an airport security guard. Also on Friday, the CECC announced that 1 case previously linked to the cluster had an unrelated source of infection. This case, involving a quarantined taxi driver, has been removed from the cluster. The total number of people in the airport cluster now stands at 11, down from 12. Let's hear from the CECC.
说明一下哈，这个粉红色的哈是我们今天新公布的个案。
Let me first explain. This pink part is the new cases we announced today. Cases number 17368, number 17369, and number 17370. They are part of the social club cluster, the source of which looks to be case number 17239. Another case is the airport security guard, who began having symptoms on Wednesday. She went to the hospital to get tested and was confirmed infected yesterday. In total, there are 12 cases, but only 10 or 11 of them appear to be a cluster. The security guard we suspect came in contact with someone else because her work at the airport puts her in contact with arrivals. However, we are still unable to verify definitely whether he is connected to the other 10 cases. So, for now, we are saying that there are 11 in the cluster. We will wait for genetic sequencing to confirm that. The quarantine taxi driver, we can say, is not part of the cluster. Although he was also infected with Omicron, the sequencing is not the same, so we are putting the taxi driver in a separate group.
As the airport cluster expands, heads of local governments are stepping up their disease prevention measures. Taipei and New Taipei have asked hospitals and long-term care facilities to temporarily halt visits. Kaohsiung hospitals have suspended all but necessary health checks, while Taoyuan is putting a hold on large-scale events.